Masechet Kiddushin, PEREK MISHNAH Dalet. Anusei Isha Kohenet. If someone, if a Kohen wants to marry a woman who's a daughter of a Kohen, he has to check her lineage for mothers in her ancestry. Shehen Shemon is referring to 8 in total on both sides. How? Imma ve'em imma, the lady's mother and her mother's mother. Ve'emma ve'imma ve'imma, the woman's mother's father's mother and that mother. Ve'em avia ve'imma, and the woman's father's mother and her mother. Ve'em avia ve'imma, and the woman's father's father's mother and her mother. Levi avi Israelite, if a Kohen wants to marry the daughter of Israel or Levi, Mosifina then Odeh, he has to check one additional set of ancestry above the next level of mothers, because there's a higher chance of disqualification with non-Kohanim families. They weren't as careful. We do not need to check if MISHNAH, if someone wants to marry someone and they see in the ancestry that they, let's say, one level up, they had someone who brought korbanot as a Kohen on the Mizbeach, then you don't have to check higher, because we know they were automatically qualified. If it was a Levi family who sang by the Beit HaMikdash, that's good enough. They obviously don't have disqualifications. Once you hit a family member who used to be a judge in the Sanhedrin, that's good enough, no disqualification. Whoever else whose family was part of the public officials in Yerushalayim, also no disqualifications. Or he collected charity, also must be good. If you want to marry your daughter to a Kohen family, no need to check. Rabbi Yosef says, also someone who signed as a witness in the court of Yeshanah, which is near Tzipori, doesn't have to check his ancestors, because they pre-checked anybody who used to testify, and therefore they must have been good. Rabbi Hanina ben Antigonos Omer, he used to say, also whoever was listed as a soldier in David HaMelech's army also must have been good, and does not have to get his lineage checked.